you're very ugly. I am not ugly, it's you. It's you the ugliest. Not me. You eat delicious food. Yeah, look at my flowers. Yeah, your flowers are very beautiful, just like me. And you are not beautiful. Ginanganyan mo ako, ha? Anong ginanganyan nito? Ha? You're becoming ugly na kay. Ha? Na, ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Nasaan ang kami? Yan. Look, my garden is beautiful, just like me. No, I am beautiful, just like your flowers. Not ugly. I'm hungry na. Hungry. I'm hungry and hungry. Yak, kulangot. Ew. Kulangot is you. You. You.